Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring 1/2 cup of whole beans and grinding to a coarse sand texture, because finer grounds extract faster and heat more. Once done, pour the grounds into a chilled blender jar and add cold filtered water at a 1:8 ratio so you get balanced strength. Make sure to secure the lid. Blending will create friction. You want rapid wetting without overheating, so start with short pulses. This preserves aroma while beginning extraction efficiently. You now extract flavor through controlled pulse blending. Pulse 6 times for 5-8 seconds, then rest about 10 seconds to let grounds settle and cool. This staggered approach extracts oils and soluble solids without burning them. Stir gently between pulses to redistribute grounds so extraction is even, otherwise some pockets over-extract and taste bitter. Once the liquid looks uniformly colored and fragrant, stop. You're balancing time, motion, and temperature to get clarity. You finish by pouring the blended brew through a fine mesh or a paper coffee filter into a carafe to remove grit and oils for a cleaner cup. Once filtered, serve hot or pour over ice. If reheating, use low heat to avoid burning delicate compounds. Make sure to taste and adjust. If the coffee is bitter, dilute by 10–20% with hot water or shorten pulse times next time. If it's weak, increase grounds or extend total pulse duration slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.